Hi everyone, this is Sudarshan from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 29 January, continuing our series to help you prepare for your WAT and PI and get through IIMs and top other B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed in our daily news section. Its link is in our description and first pin comment. Please check it out. Today's top 5 headlines are: Automobile sector calls for continued support for green mobility. Internationalization of equities through GIFT IFSC could be a game changer. Government may target 5.3 fiscal deficit for financial year 2025, lower market borrowings. Longer disruption at Red Sea trade route may hurt auto electronics. How FDRE is transforming India's sustainable energy landscape. The first news is about automobile sector calls for continued support for green mobility. Leading companies in automobile industries are emphasizing the importance of favorable policies in upcoming budget to promote green mobility and robust infrastructure development. Mahindra Last Mile Mobility MD and CEO Suman Mishra highlights the transformative potential of electric three-wheelers and commercial vehicles in generating inclusive income and contributing to financial upliftment. The call is for Union Budget 2024 to prioritize the electric vehicle segment through continued support, fostering economic empowerment, and promoting environmental well-being. To accelerate the adoption of EV-led delivery services, there is a demand for reduction in goods and services tax rate for EV from 18% to 5%. This is seen as crucial to create a level playing field as EV purchases already enjoy a lower GST rate compared to internal combustion engine vehicles. The next news is about internationalization of equities through GIFT IFSC could be a game changer. In 2020, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan allowed Indian companies to directly list their securities in foreign countries, fulfilling a long-standing demand from Indian startups to access global capital. Recent amendments to Foreign Exchange Management Act and Companies Act 2013, announced on January 24, 2024, enable Indian public companies to offer securities on international exchanges like the India International Exchange and NSE International Exchange in GIFT IFSC. The reform solves challenges for global investors by internationalizing the Indian equities, addressing issues with Indian authorities and currency conversion friction. GIFT IFSC offers unique benefits, including exemption from the need for PAN, a tax holiday for gains made on exchange, and no requirement to file a tax return in India for investors with no other income sources in the country. Transaction in US dollars in GIFT IFSC simplifies accounting, removes currency conversion related complications, and allows direct participation without tracking errors seen in ADRs and GDRs. The next news is about government may target 5.3% fiscal deficit for financial year 2025, lower market borrowings. The government may announce a fiscal deficit target of 5.3% of GDP for year 2024 to 2025, 60 basis points lower than the 2023 to 2024 target, according to Money Control Survey of Economists. Despite concerns about fiscal slippage in an election year, economics expect the government to meet its fiscal deficit target of 5.9% of GDP in the year 2023 to 2024. The 2024 to 2025 year budget is likely to be vote on account due to upcoming election, but economists anticipate a fiscal target to remain largely unchanged in the final budget. With 2 years left to meet the medium term fiscal deficit target of 4.5%, economists foresee a significant reduction in the year 2024 to 2025, suggesting room for the government to cut spending without delaying the target. The Indian economy is stronger than the expected growth allows the government to consider a fiscal deficit target of 5.2% of GDP in the year 2024 to 2025 for faster consolidation, with favorable borrowing dynamics expected due to bonds inclusion in global indices. Longer disruption at Red Sea trade route may hurt auto electronics. Longer disruptions at the Red Sea trade route may negatively impact manufacturing lines in sectors such as electronics, automobiles, chemicals, consumer goods, and machinery, warns economic think tank GTRI. The Global Trade Research Initiative (GTRI) highlights that industries relying on just-in-time manufacturing processes with low inventory levels and dependence on timely component arrival are particularly vulnerable. The Red Sea route, being the shorter and faster option for shipping companies, is preferred for transportation from major Indian ports to European destinations. The attacks by Houthi rebels on commercial ships in the Red Sea have disrupted global supply chain, leading to increased freight costs, mandatory war insurance, and significant delays due to rerouting. The last news is about how FDRE is transforming India's sustainable energy landscape. India aims to source 50% of its electric power from non fossil fuels and reduce carbon emission by 45% from 2005 levels by 2030. The high penetration of variable and intermittent renewable energy poses challenges such as grid balancing and underutilization of the transmission system. The Ministry of Power issued guidelines to promote FDRE by integrating energy storage system with renewable projects, providing assured round-the-clock power from green sources. Post guidelines, tenders for FDRE have increased, with SCCI, SJVN, NHPC, and NTPC issuing tenders totaling of 11 gigawatts capacity. Strategic bidding is focused on achieving higher capacity utilization factors, making FDRE competitive with conventional sources. The guidelines emphasize higher CUF and set timelines for project commencement, likely leading to increased bids for battery ESS projects. To ensure technological agnostic tenders, timelines for project commencement should be revisited and domestic battery manufacturing should be promoted for cost reduction. So these are the 5 news for today. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos which will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you and all the best.